Hi, it's Sunday afternoon. I'm going to do something for afternoon snack. So I have the Mission Tortilla chips here, bought from the supermarket, and I have a canned tomato here, the whole tomato, peel tomato can. So this portions I'm going to do is a lot actually, so I can use it for a few occasions. To pour it here inside the bowl. Put aside. I also have some other ingredients here. So I have one whole yellow onion, medium size, one large tomato, fresh tomato. I also use fresh tomato. I have one green pepper and one red pepper, 2 cloves of garlic, and a whole lot of cilantro. I'm going to put all this aside. What I'm going to do is I'm going to dice the tomatoes and all these ingredients and put it in the mixing bowl. So cut the onion first. And the garlic, 2 garlics. I'm going to crush it first before I chop it. This garlic and chili. I'm worried that it's going to be too spicy, so I'm going to remove the seed and the core. I'm going to put this chop inside the mixing bowl first. In we go the onions and the chili. Next, I'm going to dice the tomato, the fresh tomato. Let's remove the core. Put it here. It's the fresh tomato. Next one, I'm going to cut my cilantro. In it go the cilantro. This is the canned tomato. I'm going to also chop the canned tomato into smaller pieces. I'm going to take the tomato and for the sauce, I'm just pour it in here. Just need to cut it. That's all for the cut and chop. In we go, the tomato can. So I'm putting in about half a teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a lemon juice. This lemon very juicy. I'm putting in about 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Okay, then we can stir it. There you have the salsa sauce. Now I want to taste it. I forgot one thing. I forgot to put sugar. About 1 tablespoon of sugar. A bit more salt. Another half teaspoon of salt. It's spicy though. Although I removed the chili seed, it's still a bit spicy. So, but it's okay when we eat with the tortilla chips. Let's try it again. Very yummy. Wow. Look at that. Looks so yummy. So good. Yummy, delicious.